Okay, I really don't know the last time that you guys saw me in this frame, but today I was like, I really wanted to vlog, and I'm like, why not? So, I know this is new for you. It's been a while since I vlogged the last time, or I hope to आपको अच्छा लगेगा. So, welcome back to the channel, guys, and I hope you all are doing amazingly fine. Let's get started. सो एक्चुअली फ़िलहाल काफ़ी लेट हो चुका है. इट्स लाइक 8:30 इन द नाइट एंड आई जस्ट स्टार्टेड व्लॉगिंग. मैंने सोचा यार कि यार भी जस्ट पता नहीं कुछ ज़्यादा ही मन कर रहा था कि हम लाइक फाइन लेट्स डू इट. और मैंने बहुत टाइम बाद मेरा गोप्रो भी निकाला. सो आई एम लाइक चलो. और एक्चुअली आज कुछ नई चीज़ आई है. सो फॉर एनी वन हु नोज मी एंड हैज़ बीन फॉलोइंग दिस चैनल और हैज़ बीन फॉलोइंग माई इंस्टाग्राम नो दैट आई एम अ टेक फ्री. ओके, सो मुझे काफ़ी अच्छा लगता है नई नई चीज़ें खरीदने की. एंड आई हैव वन दिस सिंपल मंत्रा. I actually follow a tech reviewer जो ये बोलता है. और ये actually this does make a lot of sense. This he says usually that buy it nice or buy it twice. So to actually quote it in simple words, एक ही बार लो अच्छा लो, simple as that. And I follow that thing in my life, to be honest, with respect to everything. Oh, so now that does not mean that I have a lot of money and I can spend it like shit. That's not the truth. I actually save a lot of money to buy the things so that I buy them once and I buy them best. So today एक्चुअली ओके आई शो इट टू इन अ व्हाइल. पहले तो हम बात करते हैं कि वुड यू गाइज लव इफ आई व्लॉग लाइक दिस एवरी डे एंड आई शो यू माई डे टू डे लाइफ. मैं क्या करता हूँ, कैसे करता हूँ और मेरा शेड्यूल क्या है एंड हाउ इट वर्क्स आउट फॉर मी. सो आई एम बेसिकली फॉर एनीवन हुज न्यू अराउंड यू, आई एम अ my name is Shansh. I'm a commercial pilot, and I also am a certified ground instructor. So I teach a lot of pilots, upcoming pilots who are there and who want to become pilots and airline pilots in the future. So yeah, this is what I do, and I also own a company named Maverick Aviation, where we cater or we teach a lot of new students, help them, guide them, and up to they become airline pilots. So we cater for CPL, PPL, ATPL, and or everything related to aviation. Basically, we are a consulting firm. We have our own ground training and we have our own flying training section as well. So to start with this, so आज का vlog बस ऐसे ही टाइम पास होने वाला है. So I really don't know. It's been so long as I said. तो आज हम actually बात करने वाले हैं of one such thing that मैंने आज ही आई है. Ta-da! So now for anyone who loves gaming, well, I am similar to you. ठीक है, मैं बचपन से लेके अब तक गेमिंग करता हूँ. दैट इज समथिंग दैट आई डू व्हेन आई एम फ्री. दैट इज समथिंग दैट आई डू इफ आई वांट टू गेट माय माइंड ऑफ समथिंग. और वो एक चीज़ है जो मतलब मैं कभी नहीं छोड़ सकता. सो आई हैव अ गेमिंग पीसी. ओके, सो दैट्स समथिंग आई एम प्लानिंग टू बाय नेक्स्ट. बताऊंगा नेक्स्ट. आई हैव माय प्ले स्टेशन राइट देयर. माय रूम इज अ लिटिल डार्क. आई डोंट लाइक ब्राइट लाइट्स. पता नहीं, बस बचपन से. So that's my PlayStation and those are all my games. That's my control column with my brake pads and my rudder pedals come brake pads and all of that. So I love gaming. So मैंने recently gaming पे एक mouse खरीदा था. This one. This is one of the best. I think the best mouse that you have for gaming. It's a G502 by Logitech, and I'm a complete Logitech guy. So Logitech headphones. That's my control joystick. एंड द नेक्स्ट वन. सो मेरे पास बेसिकली और भी बहुत सारी चीज़ें अभी फ़िलहाल मैंने यहाँ रखी नहीं है. वो मैं एक एक्चुअली नया सेटअप बनाने वाला हूँ एंड दैट्स वेयर आई एम गोना यूज देम. सो विद रिस्पेक्ट टू दैट, this was something that I actually thought of buying for a while, and I recently bought a MacBook to just try it out. So I needed a wireless mouse. So मैंने सोचा कि क्यों ना ये ले लेते हैं. This is the best mouse available in the market right now. It is wireless and it's crazy. So in this vlog, हम आज इसको unbox करेंगे. और you tell me how you like it. If you like the vlog, do not forget to hit the like button. जाके comment करो and please give me inputs. Like I want you guys to tell me what you want to see, what more content you want. आपको क्या अच्छा लगता है in the vlog and everything. जो भी हो just जाके नीचे comment करो because it's gonna help me a lot to build this channel. Of course I'm gonna give you a lot of aviation content as well. सिर्फ ये नहीं होगा, वो सब भी होगा और ये भी होगा उसके साथ. So that's about it. Let's get into the unboxing and I'll show you exactly how this thing works. See, this is difficult. So as I told you that I have a thing for oopsie doopsie. Yeah. As I told you that I have a thing for Logitech products. I find them really amazing. Again, this is not a sponsored video, but actually have. So the box looks amazing. I mean, I don't know if you can see it. So that's MX embossed on it. So MX basically इनका series है, which is basically for creators and programmers or anyone who's editors and stuff. क्योंकि this mouse I'll show you. Actually show you. मैं अगर बताऊंगा तो आपको नहीं समझेगा. As I told you, ये जो मेरा mouse है currently जो मैं use कर रहा हूँ, ये एक proper Logitech का gaming mouse है. It's the best gaming mouse that Logitech has in its store. And so this has an infinite scroll wheel. So you can see this. So ये this keeps going and it can scroll up to like 1,000 lines per second. So it scrolls really fast, like it's crazy fast. Okay. और इसमें काफ़ी लाइक इसमें 8 प्रोग्रामेबल बटन्स है जो आप अलग अलग टास्क के लिए यूज़ कर सकते हो. बट द प्रॉब्लम व्हेन आई बॉट दिस वाज दिस वायर्ड एंड टेकिंग दिस एवरीवेयर इज समथिंग आई कांट डू टू बी ऑनेस्ट. सो आई बॉट दिस वन. सो काफ़ी काफ़ी कूल लग रहा है अभी तक तो. लेट्स जस्ट ओपन दिस अप एंड सी what is there. Oh my god, this looks fabulous. Okay, so the just look at this piece of tech. This looks crazy good. Like, now this is what you call in a top notch mouse. I mean, इसको देख के ही लग रहा है कि this has an amazing build quality. Actually मुझे निकालने का भी मन नहीं कर रहा है इसको यहाँ से. Let's just do that. Wow. Oh my god. So just look at this piece of tech. So that's what it is. It's pretty good. It's amazing to be honest. So best of two worlds. Best of editing, best of gaming. Wow. Now I'll tell you a few features of this thing. So ये जो है, this again has an electromagnet here. So this also has an infinite scroll to be honest. And you can set how much you want it, what speed and everything. You have a horizontal scroll. Basically people who work a lot on Excels or people like me who like to edit stuff, video editing. This is a horizontal scroll. Anyone who uses Adobe Photoshop or any of the video editing softwares will know how important or how functional this can be. Then you have two extra keys. One amazing thing about this is for Apple products, this thing over here, this is a gesture control. So this is actually a button. तो इसको आप दबाओगे और इससे आप अलग अलग functions को couple कर सकते हो. The ergonomics are amazing. So actually आज के vlog में मैं बहुत ज़्यादा इसके बारे में बोल रहा हूँ क्योंकि इस इवनिंग यार मैं अभी क्या करूँगा. अब तो मैं लंच करूँगा, फिर रात को मैं मूवी देखूँगा, फिर सो जाऊँगा. ये मेरा रोज़ का शेड्यूल है. आप कल देखोगे द नेक्स्ट व्लॉग you'll actually see what I do, how I do, what my day is off and what are the activities, hobbies that I actually follow in my life. So this mouse also has one function that I can connect it to 3 different devices at the same time. So मैं मेरे iPad, phone, laptop और Mac से एक साथ connect कर सकता हूँ without any problems. I just hit the button and it shifts the cursor to that screen. Not only that, but इसमें और एक function है जो है कि I can use this mouse and I can copy from one device and paste to the other device. Yeah, files. It's basically between OS. Not I don't need Apple to Apple or Windows to Windows. I can go from Windows to Apple, anything, basically any OS. And that is so convenient. मतलब अभी मेरा ये लैपटॉप है, ये विंडोज़ है. Sometimes I'm editing outside on my Mac. ये तो मेरा चालू होता है. If I want to basically copy something from here to there, I just select it, copy, paste it on my screen. That simple. It's called Flow, I think. And it's amazing. So अब मैं ये थोड़ा रिव्यू टाइम पास करूँगा, इसके साथ देखूँगा कैसे चलता है वगैरह और उसके बाद हम आगे जाएंगे. Let's see. So hey guys, I hope you all are doing great. हाँ hello. So it's the next day. Just woke up, had a bath, and now we are ready for the first lecture of the day. So usually my day starts around 8 o'clock in the morning every day, and I have my first lecture at 10. So I wake up and I go have a bath. I have my breakfast. I still haven't had my breakfast because 20 minutes still yet to go for my lecture. और उसके बाद हम लेक्चर स्टार्ट करेंगे और फिर आपको दिखाता हूँ how the setup is and what. Also, I'm gonna make a video on my current room setup. So if you guys are interested in knowing that, go hit the like button, and also comment down below when you want to see it the earliest. So I'll just grab my breakfast now and then come back and start the lecture and show you guys. So guys, there we are. So it's 10 and it's time for the lecture to begin. Oh my god, that's my glasses. So at this point, most of you all know that we are taking online lectures, so the filals are online chalu hai. And usually I have another uh, setup over here, but I don't require it for today's lecture, so not needed. So now this particular batch had started, I think, month and a half back, and abhi ye khatam hone wala hai soon in a month's time. Then we will be starting new batches. Also, if any one of you is interested to joining CPL or to becoming a pilot, well, we at Maverick Aviation, we train. We are one of the best institutes in Mumbai itself, and we'll be starting a new batch soon. So if you guys are interested, you can hit me up in the comments, or you can also DM me on my Instagram handle right here. So with that said, अभी तो मैं lecture start कर रहा हूँ. This will go on for around 1.5 to 2 hours. Then I have another lecture at 11:45. उसके बाद another one at 2:30. So the day is pretty packed up. So I'll see you guys soon. So guys, just अभी 2 लेक्चर खत्म हो चुका है. एक मेरा थर्ड लेक्चर है जो है 2:30 को, बट वो आरटी का है. सो अभी थोड़ा आधा घंटा का ब्रेक है मेरा. ऑल्सो आई वांटेड टू टेल यू वन थिंग. एक नया चीज़ आई वाज थिंकिंग ऑफ डूइंग इज़ दैट कि मैं यूट्यूब पे आई वाज प्लानिंग दैट आई स्टार्ट ग्राउंड क्लासेस, बट ऑफ कोर्स देयर इज अ कैच बिहाइंड दिस. I will start ground classes for people who want to subscribe to that. So it will basically be an official subscription, and YouTube does allow that, wherein you will have authorization or you will be authorized to specific content way before most of the people, or actually depending on आप क्या select करते हो. So जैसे आपको पता है कि CPL में काफ़ी सारे subjects हैं और मैं स्पेसिफिकली 2 से 3 सब्जेक्ट्स पढ़ाता हूँ. सो जो भी सब्जेक्ट्स में मेरा एक्सपर्टीज़ है उन सब्जेक्ट्स के मैं सब्सक्रिप्शंस डालूँगा, एंड पीपल हू वांट टू लुक आउट फॉर दैट कैन बेसिकली अप्लाई ऑन अ वीकली और अ मंथली बेसिस, एंड यू विल बी चार्ज अ सर्टेन अमाउंट ऑफ सम फॉर द अमाउंट ऑफ लेक्चर्स दैट यू टेक. ओके, इससे आप अगर इफ़ यू समवन हु इज़ वांटिंग टू डू CPL, यू नो, स्टेप बाय स्टेप यू कैन डू दैट अकॉर्डिंगली. आपको एक साथ ज़्यादा फीस नहीं भरनी पड़ेंगी. फॉर पीपल हु आर लुकिंग फॉर समथिंग like who are completely dedicated and who are like made up their mind कि आपको pilot बनना है, you can join in Maverick Aviation and you can take whatever subject you want, or you can take the whole course which you give at a really reasonable price, and you'll also be offered a discount if you're taking all of these subjects together. So I think with that said, मेरा आज का दिन तो काफ़ी boring था. There's nothing much I did because I'm actually not going out in this pandemic because of obvious reasons, and I would suggest you guys also to not go out. If you're not vaccinated, get vaccinated. I'm going to be vaccinated probably next week क्योंकि the registrations are like go out in split seconds. उसी कल ही मैं इनफैक्ट ट्राई कर रहा था, and before I could even select the hospital or read the hospital, it was gone. So अभी आज फिर से शाम को बैठूंगा. Let's see if I get a slot. Before that I'll do it. If not, then whenever it's available. But for you guys, if you are getting a slot, just get done, and we need to get out of this so that the aviation sector जो काफ़ी ऊपर आ चुका है इतने टाइम में, it booms back. So that's it. I think I'll end the vlog here. Again, as I said, go comment down below what more content you want, what you want to look what you want to know in the next vlog. Also, if you have anything about CPL that you want to know, comment down below. Hit the like if you love this video and you want to see me more in this frame. So see you guys in the next one. Till then, stay safe, stay home, take care, guys. And like I always say, stay golden. See you in the next one. Bye bye.